Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles using flour. First, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the mixture. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly in a large bowl until they are well combined. This ensures an even distribution for perfect waffles. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. For extra flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine for a light, fluffy waffle. It's time to cook. Preheat your waffle iron to medium-high heat. Lightly grease the iron with cooking spray or a little melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of each section, or as directed by your waffle maker. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until your waffles are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Your delicious homemade waffles are ready. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, warm maple syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream are always fantastic choices. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly golden, fluffy waffles, a delightful treat for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.